Hey, my name's Wendy Kohlmeyer, and I am out here today on the golf course really early in the morning before the golfers show up. I want to show you today how I've been walking with a weighted vest and the changes it's made to my body. So let me give you a little backstory. I lost 42 pounds 15 years ago doing Beachbody programs and cleaning up my diet. I had just turned 50 when I started this, and everything that I had done in the past, losing weight, was not so easy anymore. So I started that and it worked. It really worked. I became an Insanity certified instructor and I did all the things. But then when I turned 60, it didn't seem to matter what I did. I was still eating very clean and healthy, and it didn't matter. I was still working out. Now, I will say that I suffered a couple of injuries, but the weight just wasn't coming off. And I knew I had to do something, so I started really researching. So last summer, my girl, Chalene Johnson, that's who I lost most of my weight with. She was a high-powered fitness influencer, and she was a Beachbody trainer. So all her programs worked for me, but when I turned 60, they did not. So I started researching and found actually a podcast from her about walking vests, which you can see that's what I'm wearing now. It's hard to really see it, but I will get some pictures of it here. But I started wearing a walking vest, and it's no joke. I had creeped, after that 42 pounds, I had creeped up over the years about 10 pounds. And I just wasn't happy with my weight. But like I said, there was just nothing I could do to get that weight down. So she said to start walking with a weighted vest and doing weight training. Well, the last couple of years, I suffered a couple injuries. And those injuries included having a bike wreck and tearing my rotator cuff on one arm. So I was out of bicycling for a long time, having to do physical and occupational therapy for that. And I thought it would never heal because as you age, it just takes longer to heal. So anyway, it's about a year later and I'm feeling pretty good. I started lifting just a little bit, not back to where I was. But we decided to go visit our son in Florida. He's a big CrossFitter, and he was in a CrossFit competition. So we wanted to go and see that. And I had a suitcase out in the middle of the floor, got up at night to go to the bathroom. It's pitch dark in the bedroom. Forgot about the suitcase, tripped over it, and broke my wrist in 3 places. I had never had a broken bone before. I've made it my entire life without a broken bone. Now, I didn't think that it was broken, but my husband right away knew that it was. We were leaving for the airport in Florida like 5 hours later. So he asked if I want to go to the emergency room and that we need to cancel our trip. I'm like, hell no, I am not canceling this trip. I've waited too long to see our son. I'm going. So we stopped by a CVS and I picked up a wrap for my wrist. So my husband tried to get me to go to the emergency room as soon as we landed in Florida. And I said, no, I'm not going to spend my time in Florida as limited as it is in an emergency room. So I kept it wrapped and did a lot of icing while I was there. And then when we got back, 5 days later, I went to a sports orthopedic doctor who did some x-rays, and he said, fortunately for you, it's growing back the way it should. But because you left it so long, it's going to take quite a bit of therapy to get you back into it. So I'm asking him how long, and he's not wanting to say. So, and by the way, it took over a year. It's been about a year and a half since that happened. And I still have trouble with it, but I can still feel pain there if I do a plank or something like that. But back to the point of my story is that I started walking. And it was summer, and I got up early, and I went out on the golf course before the golfers got there. And I walked 5 miles. And I kind of got addicted to the walking the 5 miles. And while it worked in the beginning and I dropped some weight, I just couldn't get all of the 10 pounds off. So step in this weighted vest, and I'm wearing a 12-pound weighted vest. I started walking with it. I walked with it for 30 days. And I really didn't change anything else what I was doing. I'm not a big 3-meal-a-day person. I like to eat breakfast and dinner and kind of graze during the day. Well, I stopped the grazing, except maybe some fruits and vegetables during the day, but that is about it. And I started out with about 3 miles a day, 3 times a week. And I think that's a good goal to have. I'm kind of OCD. And so I was walking 6 or 7 days a week with a weighted vest. And like I said, I started out about 3 miles at a time and then progressed to 5 miles every morning early. So I'd get back to the house by about 8 o'clock. And I had my 10,000 steps in for the day, and I could keep going, just add more steps during the day if I wanted to. Now, I'm not suggesting that you do this. I think 3 miles is a good goal, but this weighted vest gives you, and I'm out of breath. It's been a while since I've had this. It gives you a good goal, and you will lose the weight. So the thing that I've found now in my 60s is I do about 15 to 30 minutes worth of weights, and I still don't lift as heavy as I used to. I do that 3 times a week, and I try and get in a 5-mile walk 3 to 5 times a week. But anyway, that month of wearing the weighted vest, I lost 12 pounds. Not really even trying, just trying to get my steps in. So this is a really good option. And I will show you this vest. You can buy it on Amazon for about 28 bucks. I'll link to it in the comment section. I would not buy, they have some really fun colors, but I would not buy the fun colors because the colors show dirt and sweat stains. And you can wash this. Like what you have to do is put it on the floor of your shower and give it a scrub and then hang it outside. It's got, instead of sand like a lot of them have in it, it's got little weighted metal balls. And I've never seen any type of rusting through it or anything like that, because I've always made sure that it has plenty of air and it's getting dried properly. But this is a 12-pound vest, and you can go up from there. They have them in all different sizes, and then the pricing increases with the amount of weight that you get. After I get good and comfortable in this vest again this year, so this is the end of March, I'll want to start walking wearing it every day. It's just that right now the weather's too unpredictable. And I've walked with this on the treadmill, but honestly, trying to get 5 miles in on a treadmill walking is really hard. And I've got iFit, so you can go pretty much anywhere in the world that you want to, but it's just not the same as walking outside. So I want to hear about if you have tried a weighted vest, and if you have, what your results are. I am all about the weighted vest, and I'll do more videos on it, but I just wanted to get that out there. Please like and subscribe if this content helped you at all, and come back to my channel next week for recipes, clean eating recipes, grocery hauls, reviews on healthy aging products that I've tried. I'm out here with no makeup on first thing in the morning, so there's that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.